Hi guys, hi everybody. Oh my gosh, I didn't record too much because I was filming all week. I'm gonna show you a couple of clips of me eating cheesecakes and stuff. Honestly, like, it was one of the hardest filming weeks I've ever had because I'm also filming a new course that's going to come out in 2026, hopefully, somewhere mid 2026. It's lava cakes, and that was the most challenging course I ever had to do. So many things kept going wrong and we didn't know what's happening. So for 1.5 days, literally nothing was working out. And then I figured out that my oven didn't measure the temperature correctly. Like, for example, if my cakes needed to be baked at 180 or 200 Celsius, it was baking at 120. So I couldn't understand what is going on. So to be honest, I was so stressed, and you can see that I'm exhausted. I was working so many hours every day filming. And yeah, so I spent, my grandma was helping me out, Johnny was helping me out, I had help. Obviously I have a whole team filming, editing, and all of that stuff. So yeah, it was a very intense week. I was only there for like 8 days, and all we did was just work. And of course, I also created the cheesecake masterclass that we're going to be doing very, very soon. So if you haven't signed up to my cheesecake free live webinar that's coming up, then you should definitely. I show sneak peek of that in this video. It's just like random little clips, and this was not the final one. This was like loads of testing ones, and I can't wait to do this together with you live and for you to make this cheesecake, because it was bomb.com. It was so tasty. It's nothing like I've ever eaten before, and the flavors are just so good. So you definitely want to come to my webinar. It's completely free, and all you need to do is put your name and email down below in the form, okay? And then you'll get an email to the webinar. Yay! So like with any live webinars, I do not repeat them. So it's kind of like one chance to come and cook with me live. So if you can't make that specific date, you can always register and then watch the replay. We will try and send you the replay. I can also not promise you that. Sometimes, I think once where we had a situation that it just didn't record. So I always encourage you to come live, to feel the energy, to bake together, to be in that whole energetic field and get charged up, because I'm gonna be wild, I'm gonna be crazy, we're gonna be cooking live. I get so excited. I love doing these, and it's honestly, it's so much fun, and you get to see how I cook, how I teach, if you like it, if you can follow along. And then of course by the end of it, hopefully you'll be making your own cheesecake to wow all the people around you. So sign up to the free webinar, and I'll see you there, and enjoy this vlog. I'm halfway through filming. Gotta change the outfits. I'm so full. I already had, I have like 15 cheesecakes. I had 15 cheesecakes. I'm full. Oh, here you go.
Sorry, gorgeous.
It's all right. I'm doing a little break. I had 15 cheesecakes already.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Only time for a break then.
I need more tea, baby. And pretzel. That is so cool. I'm trying my cheesecakes. Okay. Pistachio raspberry. Fistашka malina.
Garšīgs. O, ļoti.
Yeah, garšīgs. So I just finished tasting all the cakes. Grandma has been here helping me out. Look at all the leftovers. We are finally putting our luck, golden luck that Johnny found for us. Looking our love forever. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys have this tradition, but it's definitely here in Latvia. Good evening, everybody. Oh my gosh, I am done with filming. I had a facial today. You can see how glowy my face is. It's like this new treatment I tried today, and I loved it. I slept for most of it because I was... Guys, I am back. You haven't seen me around because I have been filming for the last week. I don't know, 14-hour days from 7 a.m. to like actually 12 p.m. because I need to edit and move the files. So I don't know how many hours that is. So I am so tired. If I look tired, I also have very strong allergy here. So my eyes are a bit red. I finally finished today. I still have to finish a little bit tomorrow, but I'm done. I'm exhausted. Everything hurts. It's getting cold. I'm in Latvia. It's very beautiful. You can see it in the reflection. It's so gorgeous. But I just wanted to come and say hi. I'm tired. I need hugs. I need a vacation. This was very intense, and but it's very exciting.
Ready?
Okay.
I'll teach you about angles, baby.
Well, you know.